Okay, now this is the question given to us. X e to the power 2x over cos 2x, right? And they are telling us to differentiate this thing, right? So the main question shows that there is a fraction, and in this fraction, we have got a numerator. Over here, we have got a x, and over here, we have got an x. So both of them are in fraction. It means I will be applying u and v differential. That's the easy part. So originally we were doing that, we were writing the differential directly into the formula, but over here I am watching that in numerator I have got a product of 2x which cannot be simplified together, this and this which cannot be simplified together. So therefore I am going to differentiate them separately on the corner. First of all, u over v is given. I need u, I need v, I need u differential, I need v differential. Okay, so first of all, u. What is u? X e to the power x. This is given in product form. Okay, so when I am going to differentiate it, du over dx. So it is again a product law, means a capital U and a capital V I am making. This one is small u and small v. Over here I have used capital U and capital V for my understanding only. Okay. So what does product law says? Product law says U, that is x, differential of V. Differential of V will be e power 2x multiplied by 2. Okay, plus sign. Then v e power 2x multiplied by differential of u will be, differential of x will be 1. When I will simplify it, 2x e to the power 2x plus e to the power 2x, and then e to the power 2x I can take common. So what will remain? 2x plus 1 will remain over here. Okay. What I have done, I have seen that it is given into product form. My numerator was given in the product form, so I have written it, and as it is a product form, so I have written again u into v as a capital. If you don't want to, don't write it, it's your choice. After that, I have differentiated this thing with the product law, simplified it, and right now this is my differential of u which is needed. So we have got u and u differential we have got. Now I'm going to talk about v. So my v is cos 2x, and v differential will be, first of all, cos 2x differential will be minus sine 2x. Then 2x differential will be 2, and when I will simplify it, it will become minus 2 sine 2x. That's the differential of v. Okay, this is the differential of v. This is my v. This is the differential of u, and this is my u in front of me. Okay, so now coming for application of rule. So the rule says v u differential minus u v differential over v square. So what is my v? My v is cos 2x. U differential is e to the power 2x, 2x plus 1. I have written the value of v, I have written the value of u differential minus, because of the formula, okay, u x e to the power 2x, u value is written, v differential means minus 2 sine 2x over v square means cos 2x whole square. So when I will further simplify it, see, e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x is common at both places, e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x. So I'm taking that thing common. It won't make any difference. If you want to leave it like that, you can leave it. Otherwise, what I can see it's there. So e to the power 2x, from here in here it is taken common. So what's remain inside? Cos 2x multiplied by 2x plus 1 minus minus plus 2x sine 2x over cos 2x whole square. This 2x and this 2x is different. This 2x is different because it is being multiplied with 2x, but I can't take it common because it's already written in a term form. I can't take 2x common because it is over here, but it is not over here, and 2x is over here also. So this is the thing, and this will be your final answer. Nothing else can be taken common from here. Be careful about it. Okay, students. So this is one more question, and we have to differentiate it. First thing, it's given in a quotient form. 1x is in the numerator, x in the denominator. So I'm going to write it as u. My numerator is u, and my denominator will be b. Okay. Now I'm going to. I know that the formula says b u differential minus u v differential over v square, right? So what I'm going to do, I have got v, I have got u, and v square. I can also, what's missing? U differential and v differential is missing. So I'm going to solve it over there on the formula. U is given to me as cos 2x. So when I'm going to differentiate it, first of all, whole power will be written cos x, and then differentiation of cos x will become minus sin x. When I will simplify it further, it will become minus 2 sin x cos x, and that's my u differential. Okay. Now v. So what's v given to me? My v is given x sin x. This is given in a product form, and I can't simplify it further, so I have to apply product rule over here when I'm going to differentiate this thing. So I'm doing it directly, differentiation. What's the product law? Product law says u differentiation of v, v differentiation of u. Okay, this is my another u, I'm making it capital, and this is my another v, I'm making this one also capital. So what's the answer will be? U, that is x, differentiation of sin x will be cos x, plus v, that is sin x, and differentiation of x will be 1. So when I will simplify it further, this will become x cos x plus sin x, and that is my v differential according to this thing. Okay, I think you guys are clear till this point. Now I'm going to plot the values. V, what is v? So v is x sin x multiply by u differential. U differential is given to me. This is my u differential, minus 2 sine x cos x minus u. What is u? Cos square x. U is cos square x, and v differential will be x cos x plus sine x over v square. So what is v square? X sine x whole square. Okay. So now simplifying it further, this thing multiplied by this, these are also in the product form, this is also in the product form. So minus 2x, sine will be multiplied by sine square x, cos will be written as it is, minus x cos cube x, this multiplied by this, minus sin x cos square x over x square sin square x. Okay, you want to leave your answer till this point, it's your choice. Otherwise I can see there is a cos x over here, there is a cos x over here, and there is a cos x over here with different power. So I can take that thing out common. Otherwise, you can leave your answer over here also. If you want to take that thing common, what you are going to do? See, what I am going to do simply, I am taking minus cos common, minus cos x. What will remain over here? 2x sine square x cos plus x cos square x plus sin x cos x, and this whole thing which is written over here will be divided by x square sin square x, and this is how you are going to get your answer. Okay, right. Thank you, class.